Welcome back, Wogglers, to our video series on Zoho Campaigns. So today we're going to be talking about what the difference is between a campaign and an automation. Now, the terms campaign and automation are very well known. Everybody knows what an automation is, and everybody kind of knows what a campaign is, but a lot of different people use the term campaign, and they are actually referring to something a little bit different. So I'm going to identify these particular words as Zoho Campaigns defines them. All right, so for Zoho Campaigns, a campaign is a single email. So you can think of it as like, I'm going to send out an email campaign for the holidays. And that is a singular email that is holiday themed that goes out to whomever you decide it goes out to, right? Now, an automation is a series of events that you have happening. And so that can be, it can be a email campaign, a singular email campaign going out. It can be a series of email campaigns going out with, different wait times in between them. Often this is referred to as a drip campaign. You can also have Zoho Campaigns allows you to do other things throughout the automation. So for example, if the previous email in the automation was opened, then a task can be created for a specific user to follow up, or if it bounced, then it can do, you can set it so that it's a journey, some call it, or a lot of people call these drips or anything like that, but Zoho Campaigns calls these automations or workflows. And that's the biggest difference between a campaign and an automation. So you can think in Zoho Campaigns, a campaign is a singular email. In Zoho Campaigns, an automation is a series of emails or actions or combination thereof. So I'll see you in the next one, and we'll set up a campaign. Woggle woggle.